Hello, let's check some Euro US dollar levels for today's trading. And we start from the weekly time frame. So what we see here, this week is bullish, and above this week we don't have anything except this old low. And this old low is also taken out the previous week. You see, this low was taken out. So if anybody was trading last week, he should be a seller from here. And above this level, actually we had this level, imbalance close price action. But the price before reach there, it has to reach here and rejected from here. And now we don't have this level, right? But we have only this level. This is what we will say previous week high. Okay, so we have the previous week high only. So if today the price approaches into this area, we need to be careful to go long above this area. Okay, and I don't see anything on the weekly time frame except this level at this moment. Then we go to the daily time frame. Yesterday is just a chop because of the Thanksgiving, and today is also the half working day in USA. So I don't know what will be the liquidity in this currency market, but I see very few liquidity in the stock market today also, because today is a half day. So what we have here, you see that this is the bullish candle and bearish candle. So this was the rejection block, which next day is taken out. So this is already mitigated, so we will not focus on this area. And now we have buy to sell, and this rejection block is taken out, and most likely this should work as a support, or if it rejects today just like this, then maybe this could be a bearish day. So this level need to watch if it supports or it rejects and takes the low and then subsequently the other lows. But of course, how we know that this level is held or not? The lower time frame is the guideline. When the strong low is taken out on the lower time frame, we expect that this level is rejected, and now we are going to take the low and then subsequently the previous day low. Okay, and other than that, we have the buy to sell. So, and then the next day the price just crossed but never came back yet. So that's why this level is also the rejection block, but now this is the inverse rejection block. Okay, and this one is the rejection block. So we have these two levels right now, and other than that I don't see any. And yesterday actually we have the imbalance close price action, and the price came here and rejected. So this was the imbalance close price action yesterday. So this is also mitigated. Now I don't see any level except this one and this one. And if we clear this all above, we have this one, unmitigated wick, this one. because the higher time frame unmitigated wick is lower time frame order block. So this is the daily time frame. Most likely on the H4 time frame, this will be the order block buy to sell. So you also need to check this level, but I don't think so the price will reach there today because of the low liquidity, but who knows. But just you can mark this level as well. Okay, this is the total levels we have right now. Other than that, I don't see anything on this time frame. And then we go to the H4 time frame. H4 time frame, what we see, this is the bullish trend started from here. So remember that we are bullish. Don't try to sell just because you reach to this level or this level or whatever the level. If you are bullish, you have to wait this bullish trend to finish before sell. And how you will wait for this bullish trend to fail? You will go to the lower time frame and the strong low, like you have the range, something like this. One second, where it is. Okay, here. So you have the range something like this, right, on the 15-minute time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, this range low, this one, the strong low, needs to be taken out. It will be somewhere here, and then you will turn bearish. Not just because you say the market structure shift. So let's say this is just the market structure shift, and you say, okay, just because of the market structure shift, no, now I'm going to bearish. It's not going to happen like this, because that market structure shift may be just a QM, and then what will happen? Looks like it will just go to the next level. So don't try to fight the trend. Okay, respect the trend, and you have to wait for the strong low to be taken out. And we check this one, and we check some levels on the lower time frame as well. But the reality is we have the bullish trend. So don't try to short this bullish trend. In fact, if the price takes the previous candle's low, you should be a buyer rather than a seller. For example, here, look here, market took the previous candle low. So rather than you are a seller, you need to be a buyer. For example, if we say this is the opening price, and we go to the 15-minute time frame. Look here, the price opened here. This is the previous H4 low, this one. The price took the previous low. So it doesn't mean that you turned bearish. Actually, that is bullish. And now you wait for the confirmation entry here, and then continuation. So this is what we have on the H4 time frame. And currently I see nothing here, but you can mark the same levels here. Look here, this is the rejection block on the H4 time frame. Okay, H4 rejection block. But don't try to sell from here directly from the rejection block. On the 3-minute time frame, you check when the strong low is taken out. Then the strong low is taken out is what? It's the change of character, right? So if this is the change of character, now you have the range from here to here, right? When you have the QM, then from the DOB or from the EOB, you will sell, and then maybe you take this low and then respectively these lows, or maybe this low. but you will not sell here directly. The same like I said, when you approach to this level, it doesn't mean you will sell here. You will wait for the change of character. Okay, but level is there on the H4 time frame, so keep an eye on this level as well. And then we go on the 15-minute time frame and check some levels what we have here currently. The 15-minute, this is a major structure. So on the major structure we have the low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we have higher low, and we are looking for another higher high here. Okay, and so we are moving from here, and basically this was the H1 QM. The price is moving exactly from the H1 QM. If you see here, you see that H1 QM. So actually the range on the H1 was this one, when the price took the QM and now looking for another breakup structure. So you see that why price bottomed here, because of the H1 QM. So this was the 15-minute QM and DOB, then price disrespected. You will start to mark the internal structure from there, and then you reach to the H1 QM, because 15-minute one time frame higher, you need to check where is the next one time frame higher QM. So keep an eye on that one time frame higher QM, and below that higher QM, of course, there could have some DOB, but it doesn't mean that the market must have to take the DOB. Market took the liquidity, so the liquidity is the one time frame higher. Okay, and then it's moving. Now once you reach here, this is the downtrend, right? Now you need to check on this time frame, or one time frame, in fact lower. You need to check the strong high is taken out. Once the strong high is taken out, then you map the internal structure from here, and then you check that from here to here if you have any opportunities. Maybe you will not have on this time frame. We will check. Yeah, you don't have any QM except here. You see that from here to here there is only one QM, and then the price is going higher. In this case, what you can do, you can go one time frame lower. So 15-minute versus 3-minute, and this is where we started. Okay, so this is the low, high, and the market took the QM, and then in this leg we don't have any QM. So that's why I will still say that this is the range. So the market took the EOB from here, and then it took so long time, and then it reached to the breakup structure, and from the breakup structure you see that you have a new range from here to here. So market just took the QM and then made a new breakup structure, and then we have another QM here, and then we took the change of character. But like I said in the video codes, if we have the change of character, we need to go to one time frame higher to check that if that is not a QM. But you see that this is the 15-minute QM. Can you read here? 15-minute QM, I show you this one. So if the price took the 15-minute QM, so 3-minute change of character could be the one time frame higher QM, one time frame higher QM. So in this case, this 3-minute change of character one time frame higher is a QM, and we are looking for, rather than short, In the traps, I explained this concept. A lot of people, they will go short from here. Why? Because they are thinking that we have the change of character and this is the range, and they are looking for sell from here. And you see that a little bit sells, they worked because the people were hitting sells. But in reality, overall, they will not work. Why? Because this is the higher time frame QM. So once we have the higher time frame QM, what we are looking for? We are looking for the price to take this high. Okay. So in this case, we are bullish from here, and now we took this high, and now we have a new range from here to here, and this is the DOB, and now the price is going higher, and we are looking for the price to take another high continuously, like a breakout structure, then another breakout structure. But if it fails and take this low, then what? Then this bullish trend starting from here, if the price takes this low and this turned into change of character, and this is not the one time frame higher QM, if this is not the case, then we are bearish. Okay, otherwise this is a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, and this is not the change of character, this is just the higher low because of the one time frame higher liquidity. Okay, so this is what I see on the 3-minute time frame. So currently, if we see the overall levels, what we need to check, we have the range on the 15-minute time frame from here to here. Okay, and now internally you mark the range from here to here. This is the guideline. Okay, and once the strong low is taken out on the 3-minute time frame, then you are bearish, and we are expecting that the price will take this low or at least reach to the extreme order block. Otherwise, this is just a bullish structure, and we are looking for the price to take this high. But if the price takes this high, remember that above we have the levels, and we already explained these levels, and then we will continuously keep buying until we reach here or here, and then we will see what to do. Okay, thank you.